Hi, in this video you will learn how to convert a manual test case in Tricentis qTest to an automated test case. This will involve connecting the automation host to our qTest automated test cases and enabling automation integration. Before you convert the manual test case to an automated test case, the first step is to install the automation host. Then, you have to turn on the automation integration and complete the automation execution mapping. This allows you to convert manual test cases to automated test cases and vice versa, so that your existing manual test cases can be included in your automation test results. Once you have turned on the automation integration setting and completed your automation execution mapping, you are ready to get started. There are multiple ways to convert manual test cases to automated test cases in qTest. The first step, however, is to adjust the necessary settings. This involves connecting the automation host. Now, we will look at different ways to convert manual test cases to automated test cases in qTest. First, converting individual test cases. Second, converting multiple test cases. And third, using the data query result for multiple test case conversion. To convert an individual test case, select the Convert icon at the top right corner of the test case details. You will need to enter the automation content, which is the identifier, test class, test method that is used to point automation execution results to a test run linked to this test case. Make sure your automation content field is unique when you want to create a new manual test case and corresponding test runs. If you want to add a test log to an existing test run, then you must match the automation content field. Now we will see how to convert multiple test cases from the test design section. First, select all the relevant test cases from the test design tree. Click and then select the Convert option. If a module is selected, the Convert option is disabled. Another great option is that we can convert multiple test cases from test cases data query results. To do so, you just have to search for test cases that you want to convert based on your criteria. For example, approved test cases. In the Edit dropdown, select the Batch Convert icon. In the Batch Convert model, select the test case type, manual or automated. Select Confirm to start the conversion process. After completing the conversion, select OK if you are finished with the conversion process. If a manual test case is converted to an automated test case, select the Input Automation Content icon to fill in the automation content for converted test cases in this option window. Otherwise, you can enter your automation content at the test case level. The automation content specifies information like the test class or test method. These are identifiers used to point automation execution results to a test run linked to this test case. Once a manual test case is converted to an automated test case, the icon in the test design tree changes from a green dot to a blue dot. Thank you for watching.